Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get cheap Robux on Roblox 40% off. If you want to get Robux on Roblox for up to 40% off, here's how to do it quickly using NordVPN. Our discount link is in the description. And don't forget, if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll get a special discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Robux prices can differ depending on the country you are browsing from. With NordVPN, you can change your virtual location and access cheaper rates that aren't available in your area. So step 1, download and open the NordVPN app. Step 2, log in. Step 3, connect to a country where Roblox offers lower Robux prices. Popular choices are Turkey, Brazil, or India. Step 4, open Roblox and go to the Robux purchase page. Step 5, you will now see discounted Robux rates. Select your amount and complete the purchase. If the discount doesn't show immediately, switch to a different server in the same country or refresh the page. NordVPN works across devices, so you can check prices on your phone, tablet, or PC. Get NordVPN using our link in the description. As partners, we can offer you an exclusive discount when you sign up. The link is always available in the description. Save on Robux instantly. Start using NordVPN today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.